Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Nanda Luviana, with student ID number is 191011199. Allow me to explain the result of my assessment with the title is Design of Automatic Plans Based on Internet of Things or IoT. Topic to be discussed. The first is background, next problem formulation, research purpose, benefit of research, theoretical basis, research method, and conclusion. The first topic is background. The background of my purpose is, in this day and age, farmers use manual watering technique to control crop irrigation by watering at certain time intervals. This process sometimes consumes more water, or sometimes watering is done late. As a result, the plant becomes dry, which causes slower growth rate and later fruit weight followed by plant dryness. This problem can be solved by a microcontroller-based automatic watering system where watering takes place only when plant needs intense water. This automatic watering system works by using an Arduino controller water pump which is activated when the humidity sensor sends alert resistant signal. The next topic is problem formulation and research purpose. Problem formulation. The first is how to put and design an IoT-based automatic watering system. And problem formulation. The second, how does an IoT-based automatic plant watering system work? The next topic is research purpose. The research purpose is the purpose of this research is to produce an IoT-based automatic plant watering system design. The next topic is benefit of research and theoretical basis. Benefit of research. The first is relief and save time in watering and monitoring the plants that are maintained. The second, become a new innovation in helping users to monitor their crops, be it farmers, housewives, and plant managers in monitoring and watering plants automatically. The theoretical basis of the research. The system works by measuring soil moisture using a soil moisture sensor. Next, the system can be controlled automatically when the sensor reads soil moisture. The three, using a web server that has been built as a medium for plant monitoring by connecting the design system. And the consumption of water that comes out cannot be predicted how much water is released by the water pump. And the research method, there are two research methods of purpose. The first is study of literature and system planning. The study of literature of the first research method in this stage includes searching for data and materials regarding the design of an automatic plant watering system, an IoT system regarding a system that has been created that is connected to the internet for plant monitoring, carried out by surfing the internet, reading literature, books, and discussion. The next research method is system planning. They are a diagram block of the system. there THT22. THT22 is a system input component. The function of to measure temperature and humidity in the surrounding air. Sensors that have the best quality, rate of response, fast data reading, and anti-interfacing compatibilities. And the next, there are three soil moistures. There are soil moisture 1, 2, and 3. Soil moisture is an input component to detect soil moisture level and can also be used to determine whether there is a water content sensor in the soil or around. And then there a floating switch. The floating switch is a discrete switch unit that functions to control the water level in holding container. And there two connected Arduino Uno and Node MCU. The first Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is the control center of all work system processor. The Arduino Uno preparation to speed up and simplify the system, control, both automation and instrumentation. Meanwhile, the Node MCU works as a microcontroller enhancement such as Arduino to be able to connect directly to Wi-Fi and make a connection TCP or IP. The money converter they're on a buck converter. The buck converter consists of two parts, namely the power section and the control section. The power section is used for voltage conversion, including components in it like switch and output filter. The control section works for control the on-off state of the switch in the circuit. And the power supply use a 12 volt, and the power supply is a reference to a power source, device or system which provides electricity or any type of energy to the output of a load or group, called the power supply unit or PSU. Electronic device indication by stable direct current or DC supply in order to work properly. And then the MCU connected to hotspot connect to Node MCU and web server. The hotspot hears the component input as a wireless network splitter or Wi-Fi to Node MCU to connect to the web server. The web server in there the function to display text data, information, still image data or data motion, animation data, sound, video, and a combination of them, both static or dynamic. The next, the Arduino Uno connect to driver ULN 2003 and driver L298N. The driver ULN 2003 works as a driver to supply power to the relay because the output of the microcontroller cannot supply the power contained in the relays directly. And meanwhile, the driver L298N is driver function to control the speed and duration of rotation DC motor and is an edge bridge type IC capable of controlling inductive loads such as relays, solenoid, DC motor, and stepper motor. Next, the connected to Arduino Uno driver ULN 2003 is a motor shifter. Motor shifter function to convert the given electrical pulse into discrete motor movement or disconnected call state. Meanwhile, the water pump is the output component. Get ready as a water pump, which exits through a hose connected to a water pump for watering. The next is conclusion. There are four conclusions. Is the conclusion option after testing system as follows. The first point is connecting Arduino Uno to Node MCU must use communication serial to connect to the web. The second point, all systems will run when the floating switch sensor detects the presence of water placed in a water container. The third point is soil moisture sensor is used to detect humidity and drainage soil, which will be able to drive the motor to the plant and then water in water. If the dry soil has received sufficient water intake, then automatically the motor and pump will stop working. And the fourth point, as long as the system is connected to the internet network, then we can monitor the system anytime and anywhere. So this is my explain and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.